What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are going to be unboxing the Aero Precision Gas Tube, and this is the mid-length one. And I believe it's in, the color here, it is in stainless steel. It also comes in, I think that's like a black color. But this is the stainless steel one. And again, I just made this video so that way if you guys are ordering this stuff online, you know what'll actually come with it, so that way there's no surprises for you. So with that, let's go ahead and get this bad boy open and see what comes with it. So to note, I'm actually doing a Aero Precision build. I got one of those custom builder kits through Aero Precision, and this is one of the many parts you're going to need in order to get that build complete. Some people overlook that. They just think, oh, upper, lower parts kit, and, you know, that's it. But don't forget your gas block and your gas tube. I actually have on the side over here, I have our barrel in the package still that we're going to be putting on it. So just a heads up, remember your gas block, remember your gas tube. So with that, again, this is the gas tube, a stainless steel one. Pretty simple. You can see it has that slight curve in it here. And there is one small screw in it, so I don't want to open it quite yet. Otherwise, that might fly out. Or actually, it's in a separate compartment. So yeah, we can open this. There we go. So this is it as far as the gas tube. Like I said, it has that slight curve you can see right in the middle here. And yeah, it'll feed into your gas block on the front of the barrel and then feed into your AR on the other side. This is actually where it'll feed into the AR, and you should be all set. So no surprises here, just very simple. It's your gas tube. You're going to need it on your AR, but again, just showing you guys what comes with it, so that way there's no surprises for you. So if this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Go check out my other video. Again, I'm going to be putting this all together with a Aero Precision build. That'll be a little bit more entertaining than this. And if you guys have questions, let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, have fun shooting, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.